Regardless of where you are in your professional career right now, investing in growing your LinkedIn personal brand can help you create amazing opportunities. From if you are a student looking for your first job, in a current role and looking to get promoted or even hired by a new employer, or someone that owns a business looking to generate more business, or even if you're thinking of starting your own business. If you take the time to understand how to grow your personal brand, it's really going to help you stand out and create more opportunities. And I know that because I've helped thousands of individuals just like you to help grow the personal brand on LinkedIn, and it's been a complete game changer for them, and I know it will be for you. That's why I'm so excited to launch my 3-month exclusive VIP LinkedIn Personal Branding Masterclass. It starts on the 15th of September this year, so only about 3 or 4 weeks away, and it's going to help you to gain the confidence, knowledge, and insights to start growing your personal brand this year. So if that's something that you're looking to do, don't wait until next year. Don't put it off. Now is as good as time as any, because the sooner you start, the sooner you will start to have an impact and create opportunities. It's a 3-month program that will be 12 1-hour online sessions every Thursday, 12 to 1 o'clock. And we hope you can turn up live, but of course, if you can't make it, the recording will be available. And we're going to do a deep dive into everything that you need to know. It's not just a training course. This is going to be weekly support from myself and my team to help get you posting, get you active, and to help you grow a following. And honestly, as I said, it's been a game changer for so many. It was a game changer for me, and I know it will be a game changer for you. Really excited to have you on board if you sign up. It is a small group because we want it to be exclusive, and we really want to make sure we can give you the time to make sure you grow your brand. Part of the deal is if you sign up ASAP, you will get a one-to-one strategy session with me in September to help you really nail your message, which is part of part of the actual initial challenge for a lot of people. I know it can be scary to get started, but in this small community and with the right support, you will be able to start growing your brand this year and creating amazing opportunities. It's either one-off payment of $8.99 or you can do it in installments if you want. But please do sign up immediately because there's only half the spots available already. Thank you. And if you do have any questions, please feel free to email me. That's maureen@linkedinbreakfastclub.co.uk, or click the link for Calendly link and book an initial meeting and ask any questions. Thank you. Bye.